A key issue haunting Australia's economic landscape, the over-reliance on commodity exports. With much of Australian economy tethered to raw materials like coal and iron ore, the economy is at mercy of the global commodities market, leading to instability due to price fluctuations. This heavy dependence also possesses significant environmental challenges, contributing to resource depletion and increasing greenhouse gas emissions.
To address this concern, we propose two main strategies. One, adding value to raw materials through local processing facilities and infrastructure, and two, diversifying our economy by leaning into renewable energy and technology sectors. First off, by adding value to our raw materials, we can boost job creation, stabilizing the economy, and drive technological progress. Similarly, investing in the renewable energy and technology sectors allows for diversification and reduction in our carbon footprint, while also creating new industries and jobs.
We'll assess these solutions' strengths and weaknesses, drawing conclusions from relevant data through an economic and environmental lens.
Australia's economy has been heavily dependent on commodity exports, especially iron ore and coal. This strategy has driven economic growth but also exposed the country to market volatility and negative environmental impacts. The 2020 global economic downturn, sparked by a pandemic, was a stark reminder of our vulnerability, underlining the importance of a diversified, resilient economy.
Our environmental footprint is another concern. Extractive industries contribute to carbon emissions and resource depletion, challenging sustainable goals. As a result, there's a growing debate on how we can shift towards a more balanced, environmentally conscious economic model.
With this, let us look into solutions that offer stability, job creation, as well as environmental benefits. By unpacking these strategies, we hope to present a roadmap towards a more sustainable and resilient Australian economy.
Shifting our economic focus towards value-added processing can have significant implications for both the economy and the environment. Economic perspective. Value addition offers a way to stabilize our economy and create new revenue streams. Instead of selling raw materials, we process them into more valuable products, providing resilience against global commodity market fluctuations. This economic security comes from the fact that value-added products tend to have stable prices and demand. However, setting up processing facilities comes with a high initial cost and the challenge of international competitiveness. Australia might find it tough competing against countries with lower production costs in value-added sectors. The Reserve Bank of Australia 2022 and the Department of Industry, Science, Energy and Resources 2021 supports these claims, highlighting the economic benefits of value addition and the challenges of initial investment and international competitiveness.
Now let's look at this through an environmental perspective. Value addition can lead to better resource efficiency, decreasing waste production. Nevertheless, it is important to note that downstream processing can be energy intensive, potentially increasing our energy consumption if not paired with renewable resources. This perspective is backed by a study by Sustainability Victoria, which illustrates how value addition strategies can decrease waste. However, the Australian Energy Council 2022 warns about the potential increase in energy consumption associated with industrial processing. In conclusion, the value-added processing solution holds promise in diversifying Australia's economy and reducing waste, although we must carefully manage its potential downsides, such as increased energy consumption and initial financial outlay. Investing in renewable energy and technology provides a key pathway for Australia to diversify the economy, foster job creation, and reduce its reliance on the global commodities market, while also addressing environmental concerns.
Now, let's look at this through an economic perspective. Embracing renewable energy and technology provides opportunities for diversifying Australia's economy, reducing vulnerability to commodity price fluctuations, and generating new jobs and industries. The Australian Renewable Energy Agency confirms the sector's jobs creation potential, employing over 100,000 people in Australia, said by the ARENA in 2023. However, high upfront costs are a significant economic barrier. Developing renewable infrastructure requires substantial initial investment, and that might strain public finances or increase national debt. Additionally, policy and infrastructure changes are likely to arise. Changing Australia's energy landscape involves complex legislative adjustments and substantial infrastructure developments, both of which can be costly and time-consuming.
But what about through an environmental lens. Renewable energy technology can substantially reduce Australia's carbon footprint and conserve Earth's resources. According to Australia's National Greenhouse Accounts 2020, renewable energy could significantly reduce emissions from the electricity sector, a major contributor to Australia's total emissions. Moreover, renewable energy, unlike non-renewable resources, ensures a sustainable energy future, published by the World Energy Council in 2016. Nevertheless, environmental concerns also emerge from renewable energy production and infrastructure development. Manufacturing and disposal stages of renewable energy infrastructures, especially those using rare earth materials, can pose environmental challenges. Additionally, large-scale renewable energy projects can cause substantial land use change and potential biodiversity loss if not properly managed, as said by the Australian National University in 2021. Investment in renewable energy and technology offers immense potential for economic diversification and environmental sustainability. Yet, it's important to be cognizant of the initial investment required and the need for responsible infrastructure development to avoid detrimental environmental impacts.
Australia's over-reliance on commodity exports presents a critical challenge, rendering the nation's economy vulnerable to global commodity price fluctuations. Diversifying the economy is thus crucial for creating a more resilient, sustainable future. Two potential solutions: adding value to raw material and diversifying into the renewable energy and technology sectors, both been explored. Both solutions offer considerable potential to stimulate the economy and create job opportunities. Value-added approach offers a path to stabilizing Australia's economy by providing a predictable income stream and job growth. This is said by the Reserve Bank of Australia in 2022, Department of Industry, Science, Energy and Resources, 2021. Similarly, the renewable energy sector is projected to create thousands of new jobs and contribute significantly to the GDP, said by the Clean Energy Council, 2022.
From an environmental perspective, both solutions have potential benefits but also raise concerns. Value addition may lead to more efficient use of resources and reduce transport emissions, as proved by Sustainability Victoria in 2020. However, it could also increase energy consumption, an issue raised by the Australian Energy Council in 2022. Renewable energy significantly reduces carbon emissions and conserves resources, but careful management is needed in manufacturing and disposal stages and in mitigating land use impacts. In conclusion, the pathway to reducing Australia's reliance on commodity exports is multifaceted, involving an integrated approach that combines both value addition and renewable energy strategies. By recognizing and addressing the inherent challenges, Australia can embrace a sustainable, diverse, and resilient economy that aligns with global trends and environmental imperatives.